A few weeks ago, I sat down with some sellers who had been told that their house should be worth $800,000 based on what houses had sold for the past few years. However, the problem was that their current competition was selling for closer to $750,000. They adamantly expressed to me that what they wanted to do was list their house for $800,000 and then let buyers make lower offers if needed. Although their reasoning made sense, I told them that in this market, here's what would happen. Hi, I'm Katherine, and my three sisters and I are real estate agents who've helped over 1,000 clients buy and sell homes. We're passionate about making the selling process simple and stress-free. And one of the biggest ways that we do that is by helping sellers avoid costly mistakes like overpricing. We've taken our years of experience and put all of that knowledge into a free 2025 seller's guide that walks you through the entire home selling process step by step, from pre-listing prep to pricing to closing for free. You can download it using the link below or just reach out and we'll send it to you directly. All right, let's get back to our story. Here's what I told my clients would happen if they price their home based off of what their home could have sold for a few years ago versus where the competition is now. First of all, they would lose the serious buyers. The first 7 to 14 days on the market are your most powerful. That's when your listing gets the most attention, both online and in person. If your price is too high, buyers will skip over it and move on to better priced homes. Buyers in the current market are wary of overpriced homes and are looking for serious sellers who are willing to be reasonable. And once you miss that window, you aren't getting a full price offer anyway. Secondly, my clients would help sell other homes, not theirs. This happens all the time. A buyer sees your overpriced home and then tours a similar one nearby that's a better value. Yours actually helps justify the other home's value, and they go buy that one instead of yours. Thirdly, they would attract the wrong buyers. Pricing too high means buyers with higher budgets tour your home, and they're expecting features and finishes your home doesn't have. So they walk away disappointed. Meanwhile, buyers who might have loved your home never even see it. Lastly, they will end up getting the current market value, but it will take way longer. Just because you want a certain value for your home doesn't mean you're going to get it. Overpriced homes just sit until the seller drops the price enough to eventually be in line with the current market. Unfortunately, doing it this way means most sellers actually take less than they would have if they had been willing to price it correctly in the beginning. When a home sits on the market for too long, buyers assume something must be wrong with it. Even if you eventually drop the price, you're more likely to get lowball offers because the property feels stale. Since no seller wants this scenario, let's talk about what works instead. When we help clients price their home based on current local market data, we're able to sell the homes much faster with less pain for the seller. Here's what smart pricing does. It creates urgency. When buyers see a home that looks great and is priced competitively, they move fast. It also invites competition. When multiple buyers are interested, it can drive the price up or give the seller better terms. It shortens your timeline. The right price leads to faster offers, a smoother escrow process, and fewer headaches overall. Here is what we do for every seller. We walk through your home in person. Before we talk about price, we want to see your home and understand its unique features, layout, and condition. We pull hyper-local comps. This means recently sold homes in your immediate area that match your home's size, age, and style. This gives us a realistic and data-backed price range. We look at current buyer demand. Are homes in your price moving quickly? Is inventory low or high in your neighborhood? That makes a huge difference when setting your list price. We pair pricing with staging and marketing. A well-priced home that's beautifully presented will sell faster and for more. We help with everything from decluttering and staging to professional photography and listing exposure. We help you interpret how the market reacts to your home once it hits the market and throughout the process. The market is constantly changing, and sometimes that means that even with the best data analysis beforehand, we still have to make adjustments to our pricing and strategy after we hit the market. We do this by constant analysis of your neighborhood market and the area around you. Our job is to guide you through the process until you're at the closing table. If you aren't quite ready to reach out but want more in-depth info about this process and what we offer, grab our free 2025 Sellers Guide and it will help you get started. And remember, if you're not local to us, we can connect you with a trusted referral partner anywhere in the US. We've built a network of high-quality agents across the country who share our values and service approach. Just reach out and tell us where you're located. We'll handle the rest. And if you're curious about the prep work involved in getting your home ready for sale, what to fix, what not to fix, and how to handle showings, check out our video, How to Sell a House in 2025. That one's a must watch next.